Hi everybody, it's Thursday again. That means I have another one of my delicious dishes for you. Today I'm not actually cooking, I'm just measuring, but that's okay. You're gonna like it anyway. You know, the weather's getting warm outside. We're thinking about being outside more. It's springtime. We think about baby showers and ladies' teas and time with our girlfriends and you know, that fruity drink by the pool and soaking up sun and that kind of thing. So today, we're going to have one of those fruity soak up the sun recipes. This is strawberry mango sangria. Now sangria is generally, well, it's a Spanish derivation. It's a Spanish drink. It's generally red wine, fruit. Sometimes they'll put other spirits in it and extra sugar. Today, this is kid friendly because our kids want to join in with those fruity drinks too, and we want them to enjoy themselves too, right? So this one's kid friendly, but I will tell you how to make it mommy friendly as well. Okay, so let's get started. This is super easy. Let me just find the recipe here. This one is mango strawberry. It has mango juice, like this, mango juice. Mango nectar is what they call it. It's got coconut juice, and I actually found coconut water and coconut juice. Either one will work. Strawberries, of course, and ginger ale, lemon lime soda, club soda, whatever you prefer. I like the ginger ale. It's up to you. Okay? Very simple. So, get our pitcher. First thing we need is a cup of coconut juice, and like I said, you can find coconut juice and coconut water, either one. They are both clear. The little chunks are okay. This one has actual coconut in it, and that's okay because there are chunks of fruit in sangria, so why not? So I'm using my fancy little jelly jar here to measure a cup of coconut water. If you're doubling the batch, you're going to use probably the whole can, but I'm not. Okay, and then mango nectar. You can buy this in the cans. My son loves this stuff. Oh, you know what? I didn't shake that up first. Okay, good thing to know. Mango nectar has pulp in it. Pulp. And you need to shake it up because the pulp settles to the bottom. Okay, so real simple here. Here's another cup of mango juice. Look at that beautiful yellow color. Okay, and then 2 cups of strawberries. Now, strawberries are in season almost, but they're still kind of expensive, and they're not very flavorful yet. So I just bought frozen strawberries. These are about half frozen, so they help keep my drink cool. But as they melt, of course, they'll melt down into my drink. Okay, getting kind of close. There's 1 cup. And here's 2 cups. That's going to be pretty close to the whole bag. You know what? Close enough. Let's put the whole bag in. Let's go crazy. 1 whole bag of strawberries. Okay, already it looks good. Okay, and then we're just going to fill with a soda of choice. Like I said, the other green soda. You know the one. Ginger ale, club soda, whatever you prefer. You're going to fill your pitcher up with that. Now, the original recipe calls for fresh strawberries. It also calls for a chopped up mango. Mangoes are pricey. I didn't buy a mango. And that's okay. You don't have to. Okay. We use about 1 liter of our ginger ale. And there went the lid. Stir. And that's it. Here is our lovely strawberry mango punch, strawberry mango sangria, whatever you want to call it. Isn't that a nice color? It's beautiful, isn't it? Let me fish out a strawberry. Ooh, there's a piece of pineapple or a coconut in there. Nice. Okay, now this is the kid-friendly version. If you want a mommy-friendly version, you make 2 substitutions. Instead of the coconut juice, you will use a cup of coconut rum of your choice, and instead of the ginger ale or soda of your choice, you'll use a bottle of sparkling white wine, sweet wine. You don't want to use anything dry, it's not going to pair well with your fruit. That's it. That's your mommy-friendly sangria. This is the kid-friendly version. Cheers, hope you enjoy it. Oh, it's so good. Bye, everybody. Cheers to the summer being close. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you later. Happy cooking.